Planning an international move to Andorra? This tiny country in the Pyrenees offers a unique lifestyle, but moving there requires careful preparation. In this video, we'll cover costs, customs, documentation, choosing movers, and tips to make your move to Andorra smooth and stress-free. Shipping a container to Andorra usually costs between $4,000 and $11,000, depending on size and origin. Since Andorra is landlocked, shipments arrive at nearby ports like Barcelona or Toulouse, then move overland to your new home. Additional services such as packing, insurance, or storage will increase the overall cost. Imported household goods may be subject to indirect tax unless you qualify for a relocation exemption. Goods must be owned and used by you for a set period before moving to benefit from exemptions. A detailed inventory of your belongings is essential for customs clearance. You'll need a valid ID or passport, proof of Andorran residency, and a detailed inventory with values listed. Ensure all documents are signed and dated correctly to avoid delays. Label every box clearly and keep a master list for customs inspection. Fragile or valuable items such as electronics or antiques require extra padding and protection. Disassemble large furniture for easier transport over narrow mountain roads. Moving to Andorra requires planning, the right mover, and careful packing, but with preparation, it can be smooth and stress-free. Like, subscribe and comment if you're planning a move to Andorra or want advice. We're here to help.